Hi, welcome to OPTO Engineering's Tech Insights. The main advantage of using a neural network over a traditional machine vision algorithm are that neural networks, thanks to learning capabilities, can adapt to changes in the input data, whereas traditional machine vision algorithms are more rigid in their functionality because they are based on hand-designed features. This allows neural networks to perform well even under different lighting conditions, scales, and orientations of objects, making them more robust compared to traditional machine vision algorithms and more reliable to unpredictable tasks, sample characteristics, or environmental conditions. Neural networks also tend to be more accurate and efficient in detecting objects in complex scenes, which can happen when the target information is complex or non-repeatable from one image to another, such as reflections on glasses and metals, or defects in foods or fabric textures. Additionally, since traditional machine vision algorithm instructions have to be programmed directly by the user, this approach usually requires a high level of expertise and experience. Machine vision software with learning functions tends to simplify the model training process and make it affordable even to entry-level users, who will only need to prepare the dataset of images for the model training. The software analysis then usually requires much less expertise and almost zero programming experience. Main disadvantages of neural networks are related to the demanding computational power which is needed to perform complex analysis, requiring powerful and expensive hardware solutions. Additionally, since the learning algorithms are shifting the focus to working with data, taking care of high-quality image annotations and experimenting with training parameters take most of the application development time. These networks are useless without a proper amount of good quality data provided for training process. This data presents necessary practical hints on creating an effective deep learning model. The quantity of data required often increases with the complexity of the task to be solved, and consequently, the time to acquire the image dataset is usually high. It is also crucial to avoid bias in the dataset, which could cause errors in the software interpretation of the images. The quality of the data is then determinant for the application's success. Finally, neural network software licenses are usually more expensive than traditional machine vision algorithms. These are additional higher costs to the powerful hardware needed to support the computational performance required by the neural network. Check out more tech insights on social platforms and on our website.